Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my new Shiba Inu news updates. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. We're talking, of course, about Shiba Inu today, and we have a lot, and I mean a lot, to cover. So I'm going to hop right into it. We're going to do a lot of stuff today. Let's get into it. So the first things first here, guys, this is a big deal. This is what we've all been waiting for. This is something that the overall army has been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have the hashtag Shiba Army. Don't forget to use hashtag ShibAMA to spread the word on social media in regards to Shib Token's first Twitter Spaces AMA with David Gocketstein. I don't know if I'm mispronouncing that, so I'm sorry if I am. And of course, the overall team at Shiba Inu. When this is going to happen, December 29th at 6 p.m. So that is, of course, today, the day I'm making this video and the day that this video is being uploaded. Again, at 6 p.m., guys. Very excited either way, guys. You guys got to check this out. We're going to be covering this, everything that comes out of this. There's going to be a lot of interesting information. And I think that overall, you guys will really enjoy what's going to come out of this. Also, guys, too, as you can see here, we, of course, responded to the tweet because we're community members. We love Shiba Inu and we love the overall army as well. Also, too, guys, if you haven't already, you guys need to follow us on Twitter. Like, where are you guys at? You guys gotta follow us on Twitter. Look, we've had a crazy amount of growth lately, thanks to the Shiba Inu army, because we are reporting, of course, on YouTube. And we thought, hey, if we're reporting these videos on YouTube, why would we not also report the news on Twitter? It's a great place for people to turn their notifications on so they can get super quick access to new pieces of Shiba Inu news that are always coming out. Plus, we just like supporting the community with some kind of interesting little interactive tweets as well. So if that sounds interesting, guys, it's linked down in the description below. All you guys got to do is hit that link and follow us on there. I think you guys would really enjoy being a part of the overall army on there, and of course joining us on there as well, guys. Again, let's see if we can get to 500 followers before the new year. That would be really cool if we did. Let's see if we can do it, guys. All it takes is a follow. It's free, it doesn't cost money. It's an awesome place to support us, and obviously I think you guys would really enjoy the information that we put out as well, because I think it's really useful and helpful. Let's get into some of the news, though. So overall, Shiba Inu is down just about 32% on the day, or 0.32% rather on the day. Not 32%, that would be bad, but just 0.32% on the day. The overall markets aren't doing super well either. Again, Shiba Inu was down a lot more earlier in the day. We actually had a bit of a recovery that we're starting to kind of form right now. A little bit of a pullback here because of yesterday's overall dump that we saw in the overall cryptocurrency market. We were down somewhere between the 7 to 8% range in most major market cap coins. Shiba Inu was no different. As you can see here, we fell off, unfortunately, this nice little recovery that we had. And this is why, guys, I get so mad when people in the comments go, "You're saying all these big things, but nothing's happening with Shiba Inu. Why would you do that?" Well, the reason I'm saying that big things are going to happen with Shiba Inu is because I'm a long-term investor in Shiba Inu, and I believe that big things are going to happen with Shiba Inu long-term in the future. The reason why that I hate the overall market conditions right now is that every time Shiba Inu gets on this beautiful, beautiful uptrend that we're seeing right here, the market conditions always just have to come in and ruin it. Like, look how beautiful this momentum was, guys. And this is why I always say, guys, that whenever Shib is going red, whenever we saw these big major downturns in price, this is not a Shiba Inu problem, okay? It's not. It's still one of the most active coins in the community. The community and army is overall still incredibly strong. It makes, to me at least, it makes no sense that overall people would justify that, oh, Shiba Inu just sucks, that's why it's turning red. That's not why. The amount of news that's coming out every single day, the new catalysts that are always being reported on, and just the overall support of the army is unstoppable. The only reason that this is happening is because of the overall market conditions. Look, the overall market just today is down 0.99%. Not a huge margin. Don't get me wrong, that's not a lot, but again, it is substantial enough to be there, obviously, right? That is still obviously irrelevant to the overall price of most cryptocurrencies. I mean, as you can see, Bitcoin down, Ethereum is down, Binance is down, XRP, Terra Luna, well, Terra Luna's up a little bit, but over the last 7 days it's down. But either way, guys, most of the major coins are down today. Shiba Inu is not any exception. So don't get too anxious. Don't get too worried. If you have your friends, family members, whoever is in your ear trying to tell you, oh, you're stupid for liking that coin, just relax, guys, please. Like, it's, you know, they're not invested in the coin. They probably have no idea what's happening on a day-to-day basis. So therefore they're going to hate. They're going to hate on what they don't understand. And that's most of crypto, guys. That's most of what crypto is at this point. It is something that most people don't understand. And that is why they're going to continue to hate on it. It's like the internet when it first came out, right? Nobody really understood it. A lot of people were naysayers of it, but the people who embraced it and figured out ways to use it for the betterment of humankind, those are the people who came out on top. So Again, if you're part of this, I think you're part of an incredible movement that is only going to continue to grow in the coming years, especially with Shiba Inu. Guys, if you haven't already, you really should think about joining our private Discord, because our private Discord is a great place of like-minded individuals who all talk about the same exact concept of reaching financial freedom through cryptocurrency, through stock market, and through, of course, other stuff with business and just anything related with that. It's also a great place to talk to Zach and I on a one-to-one basis. We're always answering questions in there and talking to you guys because we love doing it. Plus, I talk about my personal crypto buys, what I'm buying in the crypto markets, what I'm selling, what I'm not buying, all that kind of stuff in between. So if that sounds interesting to you guys and you want access to that, again, hit the link down in the description below. I think you guys would really enjoy it either way. 2 news articles that I want to go over today, guys. I think these are really interesting. The first one is a Bazinga article. Yes, I know Bazinga does spread some FUD sometimes, so be aware of that. But they say, why is Shiba Inu Coin in a free fall today? This is posted on December 29th, so it's still really fresh. Of course, today is December 29th, obviously. Sorry about my voice, by the way, guys. A little bit of allergies going on today. You know how it goes. But don't worry, I'm on Zyrtec. We're good. But anyways, Shiba Inu traded nearly 7.6% lower at the 4035 level over 24 hours leading up to early Wednesday morning. What's moving? The Dogecoin rival token has taken over 6.3% over a 7-day trailing period. Let's get into why it's moving though. Shib traded alongside other major coins at press time as the global cryptocurrency market cap fell 3.5% to 2.3 trillion. So that's the reason, guys, and that's what I said in the beginning of the video, and this is why I get so mad. I'm sorry, I'm very passionate about this, as you can tell, but this is why I get so mad when people are like, yeah, crypto sucks, it just sucks, you suck, everybody else, I'm cool and you're not. I invest in index funds and you suck because you invest in anything but index funds. This is the mindset of people who have never touched a cryptocurrency in their life, who don't watch news, who don't keep up to date with all the things going on in the market. They don't do any of that because they're not risk adverse. They are risk adverse. They're inherently risk adverse. They don't want to take the risk and potentially become wealthy beyond their wildest dreams. Again, that's not a guarantee. Not a guarantee. I want to be very clear with that. But that is what most people, I think, get into crypto in the first place. It's the huge upside potential that's there with a very little amount of upfront investment that potentially you could make into these smaller cap coins, larger cap coins, and anything in between. And again, guys, when the cryptocurrency market is down, everything is down. You got to remember that, okay? Shiba Inu is still very strong fundamentally, still a lot of good stuff coming out every single day about this coin, and it's not something that I worry about every day. Wanted to cover that real quick, guys. There's a lot of anxiety in our comments lately, and I want to make sure that I can address all of that and make sure that the community overall and our community is not, freaking out when I can obviously give some facts and some interesting information that I think will help them. Trying to do my part, trying to be a good person, be a good citizen of the Shiba Inu army. This is the last article before sorry about the voice today, guys. This is our last article today before we wrap up the video. Shiba Inu breaks another burning record as deflation trends in crypto. So as you can see here, Shiba Inu broke another record after burning more than 1 billion tokens in a week with some help from Bigger Entertainment. If you guys aren't familiar with who Bigger Entertainment is, Bigger Entertainment basically creates a bunch of different, basically events, live events, especially for specifically Shiba Inu to burn the Shiba Inu. They recently had a burn party on December 22nd, and they were able to burn 176 million Shib tokens on December 26th. At its Christmas party, the firm also pooled 239 million Shiba Inu tokens and announced on December 26th that all tokens were indeed born. At the same time, too, over 1,140 million Shiba Inu tokens were burned just last week, with 692 million tokens being burned in a single transaction on December 23rd, guys. So again, even though Bigger Entertainment is making events that are pooling the community's resources and overall just people who want to be a part of it together, they're also at the same time community members who are continuing to burn tokens as well, which is awesome to see. It's something that really gives me a lot of hope for the future of this token, for the future of these coins, and I think that really we're going to see some incredible stuff in the coming years, especially in 2022, which I know all of you guys are very excited for. I'm personally very excited for, and I think that we're going to see some really cool stuff either way, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys all think. Again, I'd love to know your guys' overall thoughts and opinions down below. Make sure to like this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe. If you guys haven't already, join our private Discord. Again, one of the first or the second link down in the description below. And if you guys want to pick up a free stock at public.com, it could be worth up to $70. Not always, but it could be when you guys hit that link, sign up and deposit at least $1. Plus, it's a great brokerage app that we personally use, and you guys can also also start trading Shiba Inu on their platform as well, guys. So if that sounds interesting, hit the link down in the description below, guys. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I hope we brought some value to you today, and I hope you guys aren't worried too much about Shiba Inu, guys. I think a lot of great stuff's going to happen in 2022. Just a little bit of a short-term pullback here, nothing crazy. And even if it continues to go, you guys know me. I'm going to buy the dips. I'm going to keep buying the dips, and I'm going to hold. That's what I do. That's what I like to do. That's what we do here at Finance Bro, either way. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.